Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, I think you all are well and good. Today I will show you how to you request for your Microsoft MCT welcome kit. After confirmation your Microsoft MCT certification, you will get email like as. I'll open my mail. Thanks for renewing your MCT membership. Okay, you will get this type of mail for a welcome mail. Okay, as MCT you have access to great training and preparation tools such as a learning download center, certification dashboard, MCT Central, MC software services subscription, as well as MC support for any issue that rise. Okay, you will get in the end of mail, you will claim you badge from Credly, Microsoft Certified Trainer 2021 to 2022. You can verify your certification. Okay. In this mail, you will get order your welcome kit. That is another tab. Microsoft provides MCTs with a welcome kit that identifies you as a Microsoft Certified Trainer. Just log on and create your personalized welcome kit. I'll open and log in my portal. I will add in my video descriptions this link, so if anyone mistakenly doesn't open your mail, you can apply for MCT kit by this link. Okay, here is three things. One is certification, and is wallet, and it's sticker. Just click here, and its price is $0. Okay, just put your name, first name. I'll put my first name. You must check your name. There any issue? Okay, please select the certificate you want to show on your wallet card. I have before some certification, so I show you here MCP, MCSA, but it still doesn't open here because Microsoft already expired this all certification. You can see this is my profile. Some certifications, Microsoft Fundamental Access to Cyber Ops, Exam 70412, 70740. Okay, there is 10 bases available, but because MCSA and MCP certifications are already expired by Microsoft, so it doesn't open listed in your MCT portal. Okay, so just select, put your name and first name, last name, click add to cart. In my card there is 3 cards already added, so click here. Okay, it will shift 2 to 3 days, 2 to 3 days. Okay, price is 0, total 0. Okay, click to continue shopping. If you want to more shopping, you select here. If you check out, you click here. Okay, check out. Okay, you can see put, obviously check your shipping address before, because I already shipped my previous MCT kit, so I had this automatically added. Okay, shipping method international mail, 2 to 3 weeks transit, because it is go to hard copy. Not required. Click to continue. Okay, review submit. Your order is not yet complete. You need to review here. And order total, you must check your address. My address is here, my attention mobile number. Okay, everything I think is okay. Now we need to just click submit order. Thank you, your order has been completed. You will receive an email momentarily. So we need to check my email address. I think I will get another email. We just wait for this mail, for confirmation mail. Okay, I already get this mail, Microsoft MCT store order confirmation. After complete order, you will get this type of mail, Microsoft MCT store confirmation order, dear Mohammed Tariq Musa. Thank you for shopping for Microsoft store. Shipping wallet, shipping contains no commercial value, shipping promoting gift only. Okay, shipping address here. I already requested my first name and my chart already listed one certification. It takes $0. Okay, it's just a gift from Microsoft. Okay, that's all. If you have need to change your address, you just click your account and click setting, and you can change your address, order history, address book, payment method, and you can log out after everything is okay. Okay, this is an order history because last year I already ordered a 1 MCT welcome kit. This is a 2 days order. Okay, shipped status, it will shipped in 6 October. Before it shipped last year, now it's progress. You can select details. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.